So hey guys, my name is Shona Cole and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about leveling up and being the best possible version of yourself without breaking the bank. So let's get started. We're gonna get into this hair. Now, don't be shocked when you see what's under this bun, okay? No judging, right? Okay, no judging, I said. Out of town for a week. Didn't really do much to my hair. Was lazy, then I washed it. As you guys can see, I am recovering from like edge loss a few years ago. We're gonna go ahead and get this hair properly washed because we're gonna do a ponytail for the week. I do get a sew-in on Saturday, but I still need to look my best during the week, right? So, come on.
Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see your waist shrunk, my love. Hey, you got some bass in the trunk, my love. Damn, how many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love? You know my dad little pimpin' for real. You ever been down to Memphis, Tennessee, my love? I ain't saying I agree, my love. I'm just telling you the things that I see, my love. I got drinks, jokes, sex, and cash. Those are 4 things I can guarantee, my love. Hey, baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
So now that I have blow dried my hair, I'm gonna go in with Beyonce's Restoring Hair and Edge Drops, her Cecred line. I'm gonna apply this to my scalp and my edges and hit it with the blow dryer, maybe on low. I like to try her full hair care line and review it for you guys. I'm really don't do too much when it comes to like flat ironing my hair because at this point I'm exhausted, ready to get it over with, and I'm not gonna say it doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm doing my hair so I know what it's gonna take to like make it lay down and stuff like that. Whew. One thing I can say, my scalp feels amazing.
Natural disasters. My baby is blue around me. Kingdom be falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inspired, I feel it. Feels like I get you. And I swear it feels like I get you. Will you ever know you don't know my name? And when we make love, you don't know my name. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. You don't know my name. Everything I need between those that every time I look into your eyes.
What I like to use to smooth my hair down is the Murray's back old school, baby. It is hair dressing pomade. I've seen a girl using this on TikTok for her ponytails. Haven't looked back since.
I'll take my time. That's to be thankful. And I had days for you. Before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories. Don't you come when I come around. Tell you but then I take it down. Don't you love when I come around?
So for this look, I will be using the Bohemian Curly Bundle. Hopefully I'm just gonna use one. So I may not fold my hair so that it can be full. So let's see. I am gonna do the glueless method and utilize a rubber band to connect it. So I'm just gonna take it, wrap it around my ponytail, and then tie it with the rubber band.
There ain't much more I can say, but I need it. Bad girl, yeah. Got one thigh on the corner. She need a drink to slow down. Look at the bad girls moving it, making faces while they. I wanna take you to the restroom. So close, I'm smelling like your perfume. If you're a bad girl, give me bad girl. Every night I rush to my bed with hopes that maybe I'll get a chance to see you when I close my eyes. I'm going out of my head, lost in the fairy tale. Can you hold my hands and be my guide? Clouds filled with stars cover your skies, and I hope it rains. You're the perfect lullaby.
So the hair is complete. So hair is done. This just needs to last until Saturday. This is the glow up girl.